name I was interested in. Another guy that has a little bit of a crossover in his career with Kareem Morris. Another guy that's got a Super Bowl ring as a coordinator.
The battle for the ACC takes to the hardwoods of McCamish Pavilion as the Georgia Tech Yellow Jackets set their sights on March.
Oh, the reverse move! He soars up and Patrick, what's up with Brittany? The guy was too big and, you know, they wanted to cut ties and he's the thing. The young coach at Antonio Pierce would get him fired because he has shown that he can be a leader of men.
Ran it. Standing behind him, going back to Roger Stone, right? Well, when everything was all said and done, and he said, "How about them Cowboys?" Right, he never knew that. And then he turned, and he was embraced. And then you come back to the draft and look, we've got 8 weeks now, give or take, to pick apart these quarterbacks that are going to be available in the draft. And they're all going to be scrutinized. But, you know, Caleb Williams to Jake Daniels to Drake May and so on.
Hey guys, thanks for taking my call.
Thank you.
This is every really high, you know what they are. They're
doing something like I don't care.
They're only capable of